Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to the ultimate IPTV's adventure. Our first stop, Meet2TV.store, the best IPTV provider around. Reach out to Nancy V, the provided link for top-notch support today. Now, let's dive into our main topic. Is Guru IPTV legal in the USA? Understanding IPTV and its various aspects is crucial before forming any conclusions about its legality. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, streams content over the Internet, unlike cable or satellite. Guru IPTV is a service that offers vast content with convenient access. But the big question remains, is Guru IPTV lawful? In some regions, IPTV's legality varies due to content licensing, a detail that makes it essential to know before subscribing. Many people are unsure where IPTVs stand legally. It generally depends on whether services like Guru IPTV present licensed content or not. Legality isn't consistent across all providers. Conclusion time. Before you dive into IPTV waters, weigh your options and consider service legitimacy, like with 2TV.store. Thanks for joining the journey. Until next time, stay tech savvy.